Welcome to the Blackboard tutorial for students. Whether you're new to Blackboard or looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the basics of using Blackboard Learn, a leading learning management system that is widely used by schools, colleges, and universities around the world. By the end of this tutorial, you will feel confident navigating the platform, submitting assignments, participating in discussions, and staying organized throughout your online learning journey. But before we get started, first let us know what is Blackboard Learn. Blackboard Learn is an online platform designed to enhance learning experiences by connecting students and educators. It acts as a virtual classroom, offering tools to access course materials, communicate with instructors and classmates, track grades, and complete assignments. So, whether you're learning entirely online or in a hybrid setting, Blackboard is an essential tool for managing your academic responsibilities. Now, to get started, simply head over to their website and click here on Try Blackboard and sign up for an account. After signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to their institution page. So as you can see right now, here is your welcome page. So from here, there is this learn more section where you can see instructor webinar series. So you can watch videos and learn more about how to use Blackboard. You can also join the anthology community. And from here, as you can see, you can get started with your trial. So they have tutorial videos right here. AI design assistant demonstration. You can also browse available integrations and partners. So now for its features, first is your profile right here. So from here, you'll see your basic information, your system settings, additional information, contact information, and job information. So of course, you can always provide all of this information right here by adding it manually. So let's say you want to add your gender, additional name, you can add it right here. Next is we have the activity section. So as you can see, we have this sample activities right here. Let's say we want to open this exemplary online course design, so we can always click on it. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. So this is how this course or subject looks like. So you'll see the course content right here, such as the introduction. As you can see, you can introduce yourself. This has no due date. We have the pre-assessment. Again, also this has no due dates. So you'll see the due date right here. You can always click on the task if you want, as you can see right here. And of course, you can always attempt to do this task. So basically, to finish all of these courses, you just need to click all of this and finish these tasks one by one. And also, we have the calendar right here. So let's say you have due dates for this course. Let's say we have due dates for tomorrow and in a specific time, you can always see it right here. So if you're currently confused, if you have any to do or any tasks due, you can always visit your calendar. Next is announcements. So from here, the instructors or the teachers can add announcements right here. We also have the discussions. As you can see, you can create discussions right here, or your instructors can create discussions right here. And of course, you can always open it and you will see replies and all of the participants. Next is we have the grade book. So from here, you will see the grades of your tasks. As you can see, we have this tasks right here. If you open it and attempted it, you can always see your grade right here and the feedback by your instructor. Next is messages, so you can see or view messages for your courses right here. Next is groups, so you can your instructor can add groups or course groups. They will always appear right here. So next we have the courses section. So from here you will see all of your courses. So as you can see, we have this again the exemplary online course design right here. You will see if it's already open. You will see if it has multiple instructors, and of course you can click it again to redirect you back to the course. Next is calendar. So basically, you have the more precise calendar right here. So again, if you have any due dates, you can always see it right here. If you have any events or activities for a course, you can always see them right here. Next is messages. So again, you can access all of your messages right here. So to access your messages, just go to this section and select the course where you want to see or view the message. So let's say you think you have a message on the sandbox course. You can always click here on new message. As you can see, you can send a message, or you can always view the course itself and view the messages right here. Next is our grades. So from here, you'll see all of the grades for your courses. And again, just select the course where you want to see your grades. Next is assist. We have the assist section right here. So this is the place for best online and campus resources to help you succeed in school and life. So you will see articles right here, such as this, best practices in education. You can always read this. We also have the Blackboard app, so you can view updates to your courses and content, take assignments and tests. So basically, these are the resources. Next is tools. From here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different tools, such as the goal performance. Let's try and open it. So it's, as you can see, you don't have any assessments aligned to goals yet. So this dashboard calculates your performance in all assessments. So basically, here is your performance and metrics. You'll see it right here. Also, the reports, the TDM certificate authenticity tool, the TDM, Blackboard app catalog, and application authorization. So basically, just feel free to explore more about Blackboard's features, and in no time, you can use this for your educational needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.